Oh, hey yo, man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, your host, Red Sky Dragon Squad, bitch. My niggas hear that shit? Niggas mowing the lawn. Fuck it. But back to another reaction, man. Today we here with the what we got? Lions versus the Buccaneers. Let's hop into that bitch real quick, bro. Let's see what this shit's talking about, though, man. Let's get it. Nigga, it's 6 o'clock at night. Why are y'all? Let's run this on, bro. Let's hurry me get this over with, bro. Y'all got, bro. Oh my god, get the fuck away. That bitch fly, Stafford. Let's go. Yeah, this should be easy win. This should be easy win. JJ Redick. In the wrong sport, bro.
Stafford throws wide open inside the 10, inside the 5 is the tight end, Darren Fells. Ebron and Fells. Touchdown. So the Lions, after going 3 and out, get into the end zone of their second drive.
Shit is so goddamn annoying, bro. Like, why the fuck are y'all niggas mowing this time of night?
Winston's pass is caught for another first down by the rookie tight end out of Alabama, O.J. Howard, for a gain of 21. Big bodies on the field for the Bucs.
Big body! Big body! Hey! Yo!
They had an extra blocker, Wester. They had a tight end, Alan Cross, in the backfield last week.
Yeah, turn that shit off, bro. God damn.
Throws on first down at Ebron. Eric Ebron lost the football.
Hold the fuck on to that bitch, bro. Goodness.
And now flags are thrown.
They starting inside their own 50 now.
Winston fires downfield. On first down, it's Deshaun Jackson once again.
Damn, bro. My nigga Deshaun Jackson went from us to the Redskins to the goddamn Bucks.
Winston throws. O.J. Howard at the ball.
That shit, fuck nigga.
It's picked up by Darius Slay.
Real time, Glover Quinn coming into your screen. Sorry, that's Quandre.
What's the flag? What's the flag? What's the flag?
20 straight passes against the Ravens last week.
Good shit.
First down into Buccaneers territory for Eric Ebron.
But nah, man, damn. Just imagine if Chip Kelly never gave Deshaun Jackson or Macklin away, bro.
Winston moving to his right.
Give me that fuck shit look, nigga.
Question is, did Slay get 2 feet down in bounds?
I don't know.
Darius Slay. Probably an ill-advised pass by Jameis Winston with the change of direction and then just the word.
You got it, yeah, you got it. You got it.
With the catch. Great takeaway. A great young corner here in Detroit, Darius Slay.
Nigga last name Slay. Oh no. Stafford let that bitch spark. Let it fly.
And it is caught.
It's Marvin, bro. Do y'all not understand that?
5-yard line. 8-yard pass play. First and goal from the 5. Stafford throws. End zone.
Good shit.
Golden Tate.
Well, this is West Coast offense 101 right here. Head coaching candidates, as it is every year. He'll get his opportunity here soon.
He's had multiple interviews in the past. This is Godwin. He's able to make the catch before he took a hit from Darius.
Damn.
Dangerous.
Fucking mosquito.
Winston now 10 of 14.
Nigga trying to find somewhere to bite, bitch. Hell no. I'm a hoodie Rexo today, bitch.
And Martino picks up a Buccaneers first down.
Had that game last week.
Jason Derulo. I don't know, bro.
3rd and 1. Here's Martin.
Terrible block, Jameis.
Ball comes loose. It was knocked out by Glover Quinn.
That way, Dexter. Dexter!
37 for his last 40. Stafford with time over the middle.
Oh, got him. Oh, goodness gracious. Give me them fucking ankles.
Team still going. Finally down at the 48-yard line to make it
What are you doing?
For Stafford.
What are you doing?
Raven on 2nd and 7. It is picked off by Brent Grimes. The second Detroit turnover.
Brent Grimes playing underneath this. This is just cover 2. He's sitting into the flat.
Yeah, that was nice.
Over the top, and this guy can climb a ladder unlike anybody in football. What a great picture that is.
That was, yeah. It was
Leads his team
like
in
a good picture.
interceptions. 34 years old. It's hard to say that.
That nigga old as shit.
Defensive back on the team, but he keeps making plays like that.
Boy, you about old as shit, boy.
Bucks must get to the 45 for a first down. Winston in trouble. Down he goes.
Sit down, sit down. Oh no, put your helmet back on, sir. Sir, put that bitch back on, sir. Oh shit, a little bit too on the wild side, my nigga.
Stafford rolling left, throws, and it is picked off.
Take the ball from me, you dumbass.
McLean. So now the Lions have matched the Bucks. They've turned it over 3 times.
Well, I know what Matthew Stafford was looking at here at McLean, right here in the slot. Jams the slot. He's just a flat defender, and you usually think that that ball is available to the quarterback, especially out of the pocket. Matthew Stafford can make these throws. He doesn't see 36 at all standing in the flat.
Here we go. On 2nd and 10, play action. Winston to the outside, complete to Deshaun Jackson at the 44-yard line for a Buccaneers first down.
Touches so far during the year, but as this 2 opportunities back-to-back weeks, he looks good.
On 2nd and 6.
I mean that shit, what are y'all doing? That was fucking retarded.
It is picked off by Quandre Diggs.
Catch the layups. Quandre Diggs does. They're 4th. Beat New Orleans up the NFC South. Tough division this year, buddy.
Winston on first down. And it's caught at the 42-yard line. It's Godwin again.
He's looking for a complete game here in camp.
Not again, bro. These niggas still mowing the goddamn lawn. Get the fuck down.
Lions recover. That is the 5th Tampa Bay turnover.
God damn. How many times that nigga turn this shit over? Cookies everywhere, bitch.
Runs right through Peyton Barber. And
Cookies!
trying to do something again with the football while he's under pressure and in the grass. Calls fumble, and I don't know how Detroit does not come up with this football. It looked like he picked it up, gained possession. This might be a question for Mike Pereira. Did he gain possession enough?
Yeah.
Looked like his knee was down.
Yep, he's already down. It's our ball.
41. Stafford steps up, throws, deflected, and caught.
You see, because that shit was dangerous.
By Marvin Jones Jr.
Wow, great concentration.
Riddick inside the 10, still going, touchdown.
That was nice. That was nice. Okay, ready?
You're going to see the down blocks here. When he gets to the 2nd level, these Buck defenders are looking to take the ball away, not make tackles. He just runs right through him. Quan Alexander there. Great run, though, by Theo Riddick. Puts his foot in the ground, gets vertical. This team's just trying to get better, trying to build for the future.
On the end around, it's Jackson. Deshaun Jackson.
Let's go to Sean. Let's go to Sean. Shit.
Finally knocked out of bounds at the Lions. 41 in Eau Claire, and the extra blocker in Western. Off the fake to Barber. Winston throws, end zone, touchdown. O.J. Howard.
Okay, she thick as shit. Hey.
Yards on the pass.
Hey, little mama.
Inside the 20 from the 18, it's Peyton Barber. Barber inside the 5. Down to the 2-yard line of the Lions.
All right, Detroit.
As Winston throws, end zone, touchdown. It's Western.
Or you can do that. Wow. Oh, my God. Last guy on the football field that you think would be able to do this. 35 left on the clock.
Hey.
Already a 2-minute drive.
First career 100-yard game for Ebron.
Come on, bro. You damn, hell no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Even them ankles. But you know this is where Stafford thrives, bitch, in the 2 minutes, bro.
With 1 minute remaining. Stafford's pass is bobbled and then caught by Kenny Golladay.
Good shit, good shit.
Ball is placed down. And Prater's kick.
Just fucking go.
Absolutely perfect.
Absolutely.
This group's been working together for a long time, and this ball may have looked like it was going to drift.
It looked like it was,
just
too.
hammered into the net. That's definitely a sigh of relief look on Matthew Stafford's face there.
Yeah, because it looked like he had a tough game this time.
15 seconds remaining, no timeouts.
Stop it. Sit down. Sit down.
Ball comes loose. No timeouts for Tampa Bay. So the clock winding down. And that will do it.
Yeah, you fucked up.
Jim Caldwell's Lions survive.
Good shit, man. Good shit, bro. Pulled it out to the end, bro. You pulled it out to the end, man. Good job, man. Where y'all guys think the Lions gonna make the playoffs, bro? Tell me where y'all think they finna go, bro. Yeah, man. It's a pretty good game. Tampa Bay Buccaneers are trash, so I mean, it's like, they gave them a good game, but it's like they still trash at the end of the day. Should have known that they were gonna lose it one way or another, but yeah, man, Lions on that shit, bro. Stop sleeping. One of these days, my nigga. One of these days, they gonna go to the playoffs one of these days. But post your comments down below. Tell me what you guys thought about this. Leave a like if you enjoyed this. Like if you did. Subscribe. I upload every single day except on Fridays and Sundays. And I me out this bitch Dragon Squad. Bitch, signing off. That way, Dexter. Yo.